Hi everyone, this is Julie with Third Coast Coach here today to talk to you about a sustainability tip. So today I'm actually going to be talking about one of the 5 R's of sustainability, which is repurposing. So I'm going to be repurposing some leftover paper I have and making paper pots for my seeds. So the first pot I'm going to make is going to be out of the leftover overwrap from my toilet paper roll, and then the second one is going to be from some leftover packaging paper that I have from one of my packages. So you can see here I have actually half of the overwrap from one roll of toilet paper. I could actually make 2 pots from one overwrap, and I'm going to fold the paper in half, give the pot some more strength, and then the side that is closed, that's the side that you want your top of your pot to be. So I'm going to put that on the right side as I roll the pot up. Now I'm using just a vitamin bottle. You can see the diameter of the bottle. That's going to be the size of the pot. And I'm going to just roll it up, leaving some room at the bottom for it to fold over the bottom of the bottle. And then you want to find the seam. That's going to be your first fold, wherever the seam is. And you can fold either 3, 4 times, no less than 3. I did 4 here. And once you get it folded up, then you're just going to press down really hard and pull the container out, and you have your pot. Now the pot is not going to hold together by itself without some dirt in it. So the weight from the dirt is actually what's going to help hold the pot together. And there you have a seedling pot. Now the next one I'm going to do is going to be larger, for larger seeds. You can also do bigger pots to transplant your smaller pots into as they need more room. So this is my leftover packaging paper I'm repurposing, and for this pot I'm going to use a water bottle, and you can see the diameter of the water bottle. That's how big my pot is going to be. So again, I'm just going to roll it up, leaving room at the bottom for it to fold over. I'm going to find my seam and start folding. Now one of the nice things about paper pots is you can plant these straight into the ground. You don't have to disturb the roots of the seedlings. You can either plant them straight into the ground, or you can plant them into a bigger paper pot or a bigger pot as the seedling needs more room. And the paper is just going to decompose. So there you have it. One of the 5 R's of sustainability: repurposing, making paper pots from leftover paper. I hope that was helpful. And as always, I wish you much luck in all of the good that you do and in all of the positive changes you make in your life. Thank you for your time today.